Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I'm excited to share a fantastic find for all the yoga and fitness enthusiasts out there. It's these Ozaiic yoga socks with grips. So I purchased these socks because I was going to start taking Pilates classes, and I was searching for some five-toed socks that would really help me stay stable throughout these classes. So I found these five-toe non-slip grip socks, and I think that they work fantastic. I think that they are super comfortable, and I love the design of them. I sincerely thought that by throwing these socks into my washer that they might mess up the grip of the sock, but I've washed them over and over again and it has not affected the grip. I also like the design, the crisscross design on the top of the socks, because I think they add a touch of style to them. Overall, these are amazing. So if you're looking for yoga socks that offer unbeatable grip and durability and comfort, look no further, and that's my point of view.